shall call upon the third speaker, Mr. Murat Taşarsu, specialist in IT and standardization at SMIIC. Mr. Murat Taşarsu will be covering on how SMIIC Academy equips professionals with halal knowledge and certifications that will help to bridge the gap between academy and industry, future plans and expansion for halal training programs. Please welcome Mr. Murat Taşarsu.
Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I'm going to make a presentation about SMIIC Academy. And I'm going to share my screen now. Okay. My name is Murat Taşarsu. I work as a specialist in SMIIC General Secretariat. And I'm going to present SMIIC Academy today. So we will start with introduction. After that, we are going to talk about our training programs. Then we are going to talk about training process, our collaborations, and we will conclude with future plans. This is our website, academy.smiic.org. You can visit after the presentation. So our mission is to help empower professionals with knowledge and certifications in standardization, metrology, accreditation, and Halal-related fields. So we support our member states. So we support our member states in quality infrastructure, capacity building through high quality training and education, and we equip professionals. So we equip professionals with the skills and knowledge needed to help advance in global trade and economic development. So how do we equip professionals? We circulate training programs covering SMIIC standards, metrology, and accreditation. And we have a pool of experts. So our trainings are delivered by our experts, trainers from our member states and private sector. And then we issue certificates, recognized credentials in standardization, metrology, accreditation, halal, and related fields. So SMIIC Academy is bridging the gap between academia and industry. So how do we bridge academia and industry? We are offering practical training aligned with the industry needs. And we are collaborating with institutes, universities, and research centers. We are providing open learning materials accessible to students, professionals, and researchers. So let's talk about our training programs. Our training programs include virtual learning. So our virtual learning is accessible globally via academy.smiic.org on our website. And we issue hands-on trainings. So these are practical sessions for skill development. And we organize seminars and workshops. These are mostly focused on SMIIC standards and halal testing. So we design training plans based on three concepts. First, we make annual surveys. So we send survey to our member states and we ask what they need for their staff to be trained about. And from time to time, we get requests from private sector and we get requests from member countries, and then we organize trainings on that topic. And there are some focus areas. So for example, when we establish a new standard, we can provide a training about the standard. And after preparation of these plans, we announce on our website yearly plan, SMIIC training plan. It can be visible on our website at this address, smiic.org/en/training. You can see. And these are some pages of the flyer of our 2025 training plan. And this year, training topics are online standardization courses, standards development courses, awareness seminar on SMIIC and its activities, OIC Global Quality Infrastructure Seminar, Women Expert Webinar, Capacity Building and Enhancing SMIIC Member States in Halal Industry, and Enhancing SMIIC Member States in Halal Tourism Industry. So these are the topics of this year. So let's move on to the training process. First, we contact with the focal points, training focal points. In each member state, we have a focal point, and they nominate experts to the trainings. So each member state assign experts for training, and we conduct these trainings online with Zoom application. And then we make an exam for the participants, and after successful completion of the exam, we issue certificates. These are two types of certificates that we issue. One of them is participation, the other one is successful completion of the certificates. Successful completion of the training. And we just published as digital certificate processing and verification portal. From now on, we are going to issue these certificates digitally. This website, certificates.smiic.org, is just developed and published. And this is one of the digital certificate. It has a QR code here, and it has a verification address at the bottom. You can verify with the QR code or this address. So with digital certificates, we issue these certificates online, and it can be verified from any place on the earth. So it will ensure transparency and accessibility for certified trainees worldwide. This is one of the recent achievements. We have completed a ComStack project. It was held in Morocco in May 2024 on halal standards and testing. Another recent achievement, we have prepared 10 educational content. These are all published on academy.smiic.org, our website. These are covering SMIIC Academy's mission, OIC standards, and more. So let's move on collaborations. SMIIC Academy is collaborating with WIPO, it's a World Intellectual Property Organization. So we are working on establishing Technology and Innovation Support Center, TISC, in SMIIC. We are collaborating with universities for joint programs and research initiatives. We are collaborating with our member states to provide training for staff needs and make use of know-how. And we are collaborating with, of course, private sector to align training with industry needs. Lastly, future plans. So SMIIC Academy aims to diversify training programs to meet member states and stakeholders' needs, and develop more online courses and open learning materials, and strengthen partnership with academia, industry, and international organizations. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for listening.
Thank you very much.